Where did normal investing go? Wherever I listen to news, everything is exposure, asset classes, this and this, diversification, buy the dip, ETF India. Where is dividends cash flow? Where is Fat Tony, Nassim Taleb's investing style? Just a clear mind. I want to invest, that's the yield, that's the cash flow, show me the money system, not hoping, structuring, outperforming, because when I look at your comments, just buy the dip, that has worked for the last 15 years, no matter what the dip is worth. Other comments, do you believe that 95% of people can't beat index funds? Well, that's the statistics, no. And then AI, China will do this, that. What is the return on that? Nobody knows. Sven, should we invest in India if the US is overvalued? Gold is negatively correlated with stocks. What do you believe the company will outperform for the next 5 to 10 years? And then I say I have no idea which stocks will outperform because I have no idea what the market will do. I have 3 that will perform well, and that's it. Whether we'll outperform, nobody knows. What stock to buy that benefits from money printing? Everybody benefits from money printing. But Fat Tony investing, I still have a Fat Tony friend, and he says, I need 8% if I invest in real estate, I need an 8% yield. When you add 3% inflation, that's 11-12% return on his money. If not, he does not invest. And he's searching for those deals, he's finding those deals, and that's my Fat Tony friend. Are you Fat Tony investing or Ray Dalio, Tony Robbins, private equity, structuring, trying to be smart about the market? Because if you're trying to be smart about the market, you are trying to be smart about the second most expensive market in history. Yes, Sven, but buybacks now, company do buybacks, blah, blah, blah. Here you have the top 5 companies, the buybacks. Nvidia, over the last 10 years, the number of shares gone up. Okay, Apple, significant decline there, but over the last 5 years, very small decline. Then we have Microsoft, smallish decline, okay, 10% over 10 years, that's 1% per year, my friends. We have Google, similar, 1% per year, that's about it. Amazon stock, the number of shares outstanding are going up. Fat Tony would tell you, who is Fat Tonying you? The question is. I can invest, driver of returns. If the stock market closes today, closed, for the next 20 years. What is the business reward? And imagine you just see the business reward getting into your bank account. That's it. Then you ask yourself how you are investing. Is it 10% per year? Yeah, right. And then if we look at the quadrant, on my research platform, I have those Fat Tony investments, shared one with you in this video where I describe the research platform. Check it here in the card or in the link in the description below. But others, 6% yield, Greg's, I have to still dig deeper into that. Amazon, depending on the situation, long-term. Fiserv, depending on the recession, things like that. HP, dividend, things like that. Domino's. We have discussed some. Then you have to see how these guys fit you. Charter, 12, 13, 15% free cash flow yield. If you want stability, Trees, Berkshire, 6-7%. So depends on what you want, but don't go risking in these crazy businesses or treasuries that eat up the money according to inflation. So let me know in the comments whether you are real investing. How would your portfolio look like if the stock market closes for the next 10-20 years?